Civilians in Uganda targeted as they watch the World Cup final, a shock for a country that's playing a growing role in East Africa. Uganda has thousands of peacekeepers in Mogadishu, the Somali capital.
Well, Uganda is supporting the African Union peacekeeping force in Somalia, so it sent troops there.
And that may explain the bomb attacks in Kampala.
It's important because if this is Somali-led terrorism, if the radical Islamist group Al-Shabaab is involved, this is the first time outside Somalia this has happened with this particular group. And it shows that it has the capability of targeting soft targets outside Somalia. That's significant.
Al-Shabaab spiritual leaders said just last week that the people of Uganda should brace for attacks because of what he called massacres carried out by troops in Mogadishu. Uganda also plays an important role in neighboring Congo to the west. After more than a decade of relative peace, Uganda is seen by international investors as an appealing destination. It's closely allied to the US, and there's a large US Peace Corps presence there.
It's had a real economic rebound. It's doing successfully economically. You have a number of international companies now investing in there.
There are big oil reserves in and around Lake Victoria. Production's due to start in 2012. It's a story of progress that may be at risk if Uganda becomes a target for Islamic militancy. Zain Verji, CNN, London.